dogs can't tell us they're unwell, still, there are clues if we pay attention. Caregivers should be familiar with symptoms of illness in their dogs, so prompt action can be taken. While by no means exhaustive, here are 7 common warning signs your dog is sick, and it's time to bring it to the vet. A dog's stools are a good indicator of its overall health. Healthy ones should be firm and moist, while dry, hard stools could be signs of dehydration, ailments, or dietary problems. If your dog is straining to poop, or its stools show worms, blood, or mucus, or it's having diarrhea for more than 24 hours, take it to the vet. Do bring along a fresh stool sample, of less than an hour old, for the clinic to analyze. Occasional vomiting doesn't have to be a cause for concern, as it's one of the natural ways a body purges things it rejects. If your dog had an episode of vomiting, but is otherwise acting normally, continue to watch for any progression of this symptom. If vomiting occurs multiple times in 24 hours, accompanied by lethargy, lack of appetite, or dry retching, it's time to call your vet. Vomiting can be a sign of a developing allergy or a more serious infection, particularly in older dogs. Now, if your dog hasn't urinated for more than a day, something is seriously wrong. For it could be urinary blockage, a life-threatening emergency. Frequent urination in small amounts, or if accompanied by signs of straining or blood, may indicate urinary tract infection or stones. Frequent peeing could also be a symptom of kidney disease and diabetes. And one of 2 ways to tell is if the dog has been drinking excessively. The other way is the frequency of accidents in the house, as house-trained dogs don't urinate indoors without good reason. If your dog is showing all these symptoms, bring it to see the vet. And remember to take its urine sample with you. While sick dogs often lack appetite, some illnesses can cause increased appetite, so it's important to be intimate with your dog's normal eating habits. As appetite loss is very common in many illnesses, including psychological ones, diagnosing the underlying cause can be a complex process. If the problem lasts more than a day, or is associated with other symptoms like lethargy, vomiting, and weakness, see your vet. As mentioned, appetite changes can swing the other way as well, and the causes can range from a lesion in the central nervous system to even stress. A visit to the vet will also determine how increased appetite is affecting the dog's weight, an important marker of canine health. Lethargy, or a prolonged drop in energy level, is one of the more subtle signs of illness in a dog. Dogs normally social may start to withdraw and hide to privately cope with a pain. A gentle pet may even show aggression, especially when you attempt to touch a part of its body that's in discomfort. Like many warning signs, lethargy usually accompanies other symptoms like loss in appetite, vomiting, among others. The color of your pet's gums can tell a lot about its health. Healthy gums are light bubblegum pink, moist and smooth to the touch, whereas pale, or bluish, or purplish gums can indicate anemia or heart disease. Reddish or swollen gums are an indication of infection, especially when accompanied by bad breath. Cloudy or red eyes, or excessive discharge from your dog's eyes could indicate an infection or injury. To relieve the pain, dogs may squint or blink excessively, However, if you see your dog pawing or rubbing at the eyes, try to restrain the behavior to avoid serious damage to the organ. One way is to wear a cone, or in extreme cases, an e-collar might even be prescribed by the vet. When it comes to your pet's quick recovery from sickness, early detection counts. While regular vet visits do help, it's equally important caregivers be familiar with their dog's routine habits and behavior in times of good health. By establishing this normal health baseline, they can intuitively recognize any red flags that might otherwise be overlooked. Thanks for watching. If you have found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe for new content weekly.